Thought I was done with the exhaust system. Went to put in the oxygen sensor for the fuel injection, and it was not going to clear the floor panel right there, so I had to shift the sensor over, or the bung over on the into the header. So now I think I have it positioned so I can screw it in and actually get to it with a wrench, because that's the next trick. It's got to be in a place. Now, I still have that loose. I didn't tighten it yet. I got to make sure that that thing is threaded in there properly before I put a wrench on it, so that I don't strip off the bung. You know what? I wonder if I should have thought about putting this on the other side. It's still not too late. No, same problem. It would either run into the floorboard, or on the other side it's going to run into the shift linkage. So can't do it there. Darn. The problem is getting the wire at the end of the sensor to spin with the sensor. And then I'll have to thread it up through behind the engine block to keep it away from the headers, so that I don't melt them. Okay, we got it started. That's a 7/8 inch connection on there. So I'm gonna have to get a 7/8 wrench, because I didn't bring one of those over. Okay, we got a 7/8 inch wrench on that, and finally something seems to have gone right. I actually got it into a position where I could get a wrench on it to change it without messing with the exhaust system. Make sure that butt fitting is pushed in as well as it can be. Set the wrench to tighten. And lastly, the header connector. Okay, good and tight. All I have to do is fish this wire for the oxygen sensor up to where I can connect it for the sniper fuel injection. I think I got it up where I can reach it from the top. So I've done most of the forward clamps as far as tightening them. I'll just work my way back and finish up the job.